Excellency Premier Li Qiang, honorable members of Chinese delegation, honorable members of Pakistan delegation, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Today we have witnessed signing ceremony or exchange of MOUs between Pakistan and China in various fields of industry, agriculture and commerce. And I have no doubts that these MOUs will shape into agreements very soon through joint efforts of both the countries.
尊敬的中巴两国代表团的成员、女士们、先生们，大家晚上好。今天我们很高兴地在这里见证两国交换了在工业、农业、商业等各个领域的合作谅解备忘录。我相信，在双方的共同努力下，很快这些谅解备忘录就会成为一份又一份的合作。
Your Excellency, once again, thank you for your visit to Pakistan, taking a few days out of your very busy schedule, and that is a reflection of your commitment towards promoting friendship between the two countries.
总理阁下，再次感谢您访问巴基斯坦。那么您在如此繁忙的公务日程期间，能够抽出几天的时间到巴基斯坦进行访问，也再次展现了您对于推动中巴友好关系的重视。
We have had very comprehensive discussions during our two sessions today, and without going into any kind of repetition, let me, from the core of my heart, thank President Xi Jinping, thank you and the people of China for your generous gift in the shape of Gwadar International Airport.
刚才我和李强总理在大小范围两个场合进行了全面的交流。那我不想在这里再重复刚才会谈的内容，但是我想发自内心的、由衷的感谢习近平主席和中国人民为巴基斯坦捐赠了这样一件宝贵的礼物，也就是瓜达尔新机场。
That shows your commitment and dedication to support Pakistan's economic development agenda and to promote the backward areas of Pakistan, and that is what friendship is all about. By completion of this international Gwadar airport, this will not only transform Gwadar's economy particularly, but Pakistan's economy generally.
瓜达尔新机场的竣工再次展现了中方坚定支持巴基斯坦的经济发展以及巴基斯坦欠发达地区的发展。那这就是中巴友谊的意义所在。我相信新机场的竣工和随后的投入启用，一定能够促进瓜达尔港以及整个巴基斯坦的经济转型。
This gift from our brothers from China is yet another feather in the cap of CPEC, and Your Excellency, I want to assure you that I will work with you very closely, not only to promote CPEC's second phase, but also to promote peace and security for the people of China in Pakistan, along with the people of Pakistan.
中国兄弟给予我们的馈赠，再次证明了中巴经济走廊的价值。李强总理，我要向您保证的是， 中巴方愿意同中方继续紧密合作，推进中巴经济走廊升级版的建设，并且进一步维护中巴两国人民的和平与安全。
Finally, I would like to thank and appreciate the untiring efforts of Chinese engineers, workers, Pakistani engineers and workers who have made it possible to build a world-class airport at Gwadar, which will be remembered by all of us for all times to come as a gift from China to Pakistan. Long live Pakistan-China friendship.
最后，我要再次感谢中巴两国的工程人员和建设者不懈的努力，使得我们能够在瓜达尔建成这样一座世界一流的机场。我们将会永远铭记中方给予我们的馈赠。中巴友谊万岁！
谢谢。